differentiate function of x is equal to 2x squared quantity of x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. So, product rule ang gagamitin natin. And then, meron din yung chain rule. So, ito yung magiging formula natin para sa product rule. So, u times b prime plus u prime times b. Okay, dito muna tayo. Identify muna natin kung ano yung u. So, yung u natin, ito. 2x square. So, pag i-derive natin yan, so u prime, gamit ang power rule, 2 times 2, 4. And 2 minus 1, 1 na lang, or 4x. So, ito na ngayon ang ating u at ang u prime. So, yung v naman, yung v natin, so, gagamit na tayo dito ng, ang v natin ay ito, x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. Ayan. So, yung b prime, so ito na, gagamit tayo dito ng chain rule. So, ito yung ating maging outer term. Ang x cubed plus 2 raised to 4, i-multiply natin sa kanyang inner term. Ang inner term ay ito, inner term. X cubed plus 2. Yun lang, x cubed plus 2 lang. So, i-derive na natin. Derivation. So, 4 times 1. So, may 1 kasi yan dito. Ito ay magiging 4 x cubed plus 2. So, minus yung exponent sa 1. Magiging 3 na lang. Times, so, power rule naman gamitin dito. 3 times 1, magiging 3x. Then, yung 3 minus 1, 2. So, ang 2, constant rule, ang magiging 0 na yan. And then, multiply natin. Ito na yung magiging b prime natin. 3x squared times 4, magiging 12x squared. And then, kopyahin yung nasa loob. X cubed plus 2. Cube. Okay, so ito yung ating b prime. So, i-substitute na natin ngayon sa formula. So, andyan yung formula. Usog lang natin dito banda para may space. U, 2x square yun. 2x square. And then yung b prime, ito yung b prime. Ayan. Mahaba-haba. So, 12x square. Times x cubed plus 2. Then, cube. Then, plus. Hindi nakakasya. So, i-erase na lang natin yung iba dyan. So, yung u prime natin ay 4x. 4x times. So, yung v, eto. I-add lang natin to. Pwede natin itong erase. So, yung v ay x cubed times x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. So, erase lang muna natin to. Okay, so continue. I-multiply na natin. Ito, 2x square. 2x square times 12x square is equal to 24x raised to 4. Then, copy natin. X cubed plus 2 cube. Plus, ito, ayan, kopyahin lang din to. Magiging 4x x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. Ayan, so kung mapapansin natin, pareho tayo dito ng x cubed plus 2, x cubed plus 2, magkaiba lang yung exponent. So, ipapactor out natin yan. So, between 24x raised to 4 and 4x. So, yung 4x yung ilalabas natin. Kasi yun yung pinakamaliit. Or yung GCF. Dito naman, between x cubed plus 2 cube and x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. Ang ilalabas natin ay ang ito. X cubed plus 2 cube. Ayan. So, divide na natin. So, 24x raised to 4 divided by 4x. 24x raised to 4 divided by 4x. So, it will become 6x cubed. Ayan. Ayan o. And then, x cubed plus 2 cube divided by x cubed plus 2 cube. So, 1 na lang siya. So, 1 or 6x cubed times 1. So, 6x cubed na lang. So, hindi na natin isusulat. And then, another 4x divided by 4x. So, 1 na lang siya. 1. And then, x cubed plus 2 raised to 4 divided by x cubed plus 2 cube. So, matitira dyan ay x cubed plus 2 raised to 1. Kasi 4 minus 3 ay 1. So, since puro 1 lang naman yan, ay hindi na natin ito isusulat. Kasi 1 lang naman. Okay, so, yan. So, yung final natin na answer, malapit na. So, bring down na ito. Bring down. 4x x cubed plus 2 cube. So, pwede natin i-add yung 6x cubed at x cubed kasi like terms sila. So, final answer natin is 6x cubed plus x cubed is 7x cubed and then plus 2. So, ito na ang ating derivative.